one important member in the entire process is his younger brother, who also should be recognized.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I would like to
Would you like to say something?
Yes, sir.
You are most welcome
We
to.
want to hear it.
Well, I'm not a
We want-
spontaneous speaker like my
No, that's,
parents.
you just express your feelings, that's it, nothing. The way you want.
Well, I will take some time
I
after 5
wanted
minutes. I
1
can
minute.
speak.
I wanted some change. So some weeks back, I had been to Goa, and my parents, especially my mother, wasn't willing because she was afraid that person who was going with me, he will not guide me properly, and I may face some problem or injury or like that. But it was my determination.
That's true.
Yeah, I had to go for a conference to UK, and he was so desperate that I have not been out for the vacation, and I will go to Goa and say, you manage yourself. And he did. From the factory, got his bookings done, and took my another cousin with him, and spent 5 days, and he came back and giving more confidence to us probably that next time he can go to USA now.
Yeah.
Here, one more.
Yes, Madhubhai.
Wait, if he's ready, let him.
Yeah, let him say.
Hello. Apart from the contributions made by parents for Vatsal's success, there is a regret that I feel daily, and I live it in that regret daily. That is, he doesn't know, he is not exposed to the materialism of the world surrounded by him, which I daily see. He doesn't go to the malls. He is not aware of the movies which are being released. He is not aware of the music which is around him. He doesn't know the importance of chalking or Claude Debussy. He doesn't know the importance of movies like Schindler's List. So that is very dejective. And I try to inform him of the things going around in the world as much as it is possible for me to do. I always try to inform him about the things going on in the world, about the countries, how developed they are, who is doing what in research, what calamities are happening in the world, what the problem the world faces, who are the institutions that are advocating a particular cause. So things like that. And yeah.
Thank you. I have one small question, but sir, you must answer this. I'm not trying to discourage you.
Yes.
But tell me, what is the burning desire in you to go to USA?
Yes, it is that since right from my childhood I wanted to see that new land.
Okay.
And it was my dream to study there.
Okay.
Just not settling there, just
Okay.
to study there.
Right, right. Correct. Very true, very true. Good.
Because there everything is.
Very true. But now I tell you, it is what's
Yes, people are coming to India, but I just wanted to study there.
It's not more of a question as much as sharing feelings. Chandresh Bhai and I have not known the family, and Chandresh Bhai and I have been constantly meeting, perhaps over last 10 years, possibly, many years, and we are usually sitting next. The thing is, I had not known about him having his son, having that type of a process. If parents treat you, otherwise, generally speaking, you will say, I have, how are you, what are you doing? Usually one shares one's grief or one's problems. But the fact that Chandresh Bhai never even indicated to me that there is something which is different in his life is something that has remarkably touched me. I recognize, of course, that mother has to do a lot of things to make sure that the child does get whatever is required. But to be able to treat a child as a normal child has to begin from us. And I think that is a remarkable take home as far as I am concerned.
I think somebody from that side wanted to ask. You wanted to ask something, some question?
Yes, Gopalanji, I mean, it was good that you suggested that there should be, a video recording of this meeting. And, we have already done that.
Pardon the intrusions, but
Please, Samir, you want to say something?
no, I'm fine.
I think what we will
You have
do is
effectively
that,
shut me up for the days.
I will request Samir to
I'll
make
lo-
a good VCD out of this.
I'll load it on YouTube and send everybody a link.
YouTube will take this long.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to add something. એક કહેવત છે કે લાખો નિરાશામાં એક અમર આશા છુપાયેલી છે. તો જ્યારે શરૂઆતમાં થયું વત્સલને 1999માં, ત્યારે he was not ready to accept all these things. તો એ દરરોજ રડતો મારી આગળ. ત્યારે હું એને સાંત્વના આપતી. અમે અમારા મંદિર પાસે બેસી જતા અને જે ગીતામાં મહાભારતમાં જે સારું સારું બુક્સમાં હોય એ લખેલું મને એની આગળ વાંચતી કે બેટા બહુ તો શું થશે તારી લાઈફમાં, આટલું મોટું, એનાથી વિશેષ તો હવે કાંઈ થવાનું નથી. એટલે એ રીતે ખૂબ નિરાશાઓમાંથી એક અમર આશા મેં જગાવી એનામાં. અને જ્યારે હું રડતી ત્યારે એ એટલો બધો હિંમતવાળો થઈ જતો કે મમ્મી આ તો કંઈ નથી, મને એક દિવસ સારું 100% થઈ જશે, તમારે રડવાની જરૂર જરાય નથી, હું બધું ભણીશ કરીશ, બધું હું આગળ આવીશ એક દિવસ. એટલે ખૂબ બધા ઓબ્સ્ટેકલ્સ, જ્યારે ખૂબ માણસ ઓબ્સ્ટેકલ્સમાંથી પસાર થાય, ખૂબ પડે આખડે અને પછી જે એક સફળતા પ્રાપ્ત કરે અને એનો પણ એક નશો હોય છે. એવો નશો અત્યારે અમે ભોગવી રહ્યા છીએ, લઈ રહ્યા છીએ.
This has been an extraordinary story of how caring family can make a differently abled person to achieve his goals. My suggestion is that whether some of us can put together the story in a proper manner so that it gets scene by scene and read by a larger audience. You see, it's a highly inspirational value it has got.
I think in my email I mentioned this is a straight cutout from Reader's Digest.
Yes.
You remember? I think I will request Maulik Bhatt to do that job. Because you can script it very nicely. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Sure. I think Maulik Bhai, you will have to undertake this assignment on behalf of all of us. And I mean, you can take the help of Samir, tech-savvy guy, So
I'll take the help of everybody that.
Of course, yeah. But
I shared small.
that young lady, okay, you have had asked one question. That lady, young lady.
So I have a sibling as well, and we fight a lot. So I would like to know if they have a fight as well.
Oh, that's good.
Ask him. You answer.
We don't have sibling fights because there is nothing to fight over since this tragedy happened. Well, what can I say? It's a complex thing to understand. But
They do fight sometimes. I know that.
when we were children, we used to fight a lot.
Sometimes he doesn't like Vatsal going and hugging him, and he's in the middle of reading something like that. But small things, but they catch up with that.
Okay.